These are all the vehicles and some little figurines here. And this is what I put these puzzle pieces in, is a wipes box. So all the pieces will go in there. And then I have all his workbooks. These are dry erase labels. I do not recommend them because they get worn off. At least I don't recommend them in a child's playroom. But these are all his workbooks. And then in here are his reading books and these flashcards that I made. So you buy the book rings at the Dollar Tree, and then you just get the flashcards also from the Dollar Tree, and then put them on here, and they stay. So these are good for when I'm doing his speech therapy, when we were working on his vocabulary. And I've got Dupo Lego blocks, furniture for his dollhouse, miscellaneous toys. Excuse me, Aaron. Wooden blocks. This is figurines. This is empty. This is empty. More figurines. I guess I could probably take these and put them in here. I think I'll do that. And then over here, excuse me, baby. And over here I have some larger miscellaneous toys, and his puzzle pieces are in here. So he's got 2 puzzles, and these are the pieces. So I put them in this. This used to be a Melissa and Doug bear dress up, but he doesn't use it. He doesn't like it. And then there's some more flashcards. And then some letters. And then these puzzles go to these in here. Okay, so I went ahead and emptied this one and put them all in here. And he really loves figurines, so I don't want to get rid of these. A lot of these have memories from when I was a child. And I actually played with these back in the late 70s, early 80s. These are the original Fisher-Price Little People. This is a Murphy bed that my husband built. If you look in my other video of me cleaning the playroom to get ready for my mother-in-law, you'll see that we take this and put it down. And then the futon mattress will go up here on this wall, and it fills in the gap. So it looks like a headboard. Got like some blankets and pillows up there. And so let's start over here in the closet. So I put all his stuffed animals up there, and then I'll just rotate them. And then up here he's got some baby memorabilia, my husband's football helmet, more baby memorabilia, which is also stuffed animals. This is filled with some blankets, some extra blankets. This was my husband's when he was a baby. And then these are toys that will probably get taken down, but I just vacuumed, so I just put them up there. But this will probably stay down here. And then probably some of these clothes I might get rid of. Basketballs and cones. For when he plays out in the street. Supervised, of course. I don't know, I guess I have to say that just in case somebody thinks that I let my kid roam around the streets. So we have pants, file folded, like organized so that I can see what they are. Socks and underwear and a pair of swim trunks. Shorts. And pajamas. And a lot of times he'll wear pajama pants and then a t-shirt. And then under here is his shoes and a hat. And this hat is from the 90s. I love this. This belonged to my son, who is now almost 17 years old. And then he got this for his birthday when he turned 2, and he loves it. And it fits perfectly right there. And then back here is spare socks that I cannot find the match to, but I think, you know, they might be somewhere in the laundry room or in my car. Who knows? I'll have to look around. Okay, so I changed things around. I put his books up here, and then I put all of his cars in here, and then I got rid of that bamboo divider. Well, I didn't get rid of it. I'm gonna probably reuse it. Maybe in the kitchen. And then of course his workbooks and his magnetic puzzles. And so yeah, and then all of the figurines that were in one of the bins that was here, I put them all in here. So this is completely filled with figurines. And this is definitely not minimalist, but I know where everything goes. So it's all, everything has a home. And he does play with these. He loves to pretend right now. He's in that stage where he's imagining everything, and he loves to pretend like everything is playing. This is just random, but he loves his ukulele. I got this for my daughter as a gag gift, April Fool's gift for Easter, and my son absolutely loves it. My daughter does play the ukulele though. Okay, so, and then a piggy bank, which has no money in it, but that my mom got for him. So there's his flashcards and his puzzles and matching games. So this is more like games, and here's the letters of the alphabet that go to this puzzle over here that he loves so much. And I also have a video of him using this puzzle that he absolutely adores. And then I just have some random books and puzzles here, down here for him to play with. And this is just some spare fabric that I had actually from his baby shower that I used as tablecloths. And then they were already cut to this size, so I try to stretch them out and just to make it a little bit more fun and colorful. But when we move, I'll be taking this all down and probably repurposing them for something else, like maybe curtains or a pillowcase or something. I'm not sure, but I don't know. I got these decals at a thrift store, and they go to this. And then this is his shadow box that I got from Joanne Fabrics, and then I put in his preemie outfit and his little hat, and they gave him he had a little blood pressure cuff. Oh my goodness, they were so cute. Yeah, that's my precious baby.